Oh, that was not a nice day. Oh, what is this? Congratulations. Oh, what's that spike? What? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am in this setup again today, which means we are doing another look at my analytics video. So you may have noticed, if you watch this channel regularly, I've noticed that I've only been uploading one video a week. So it was kind of at the beginning of January that I decided I would stop making 2 videos a week and go to 1 video a week and see if that would affect my income from YouTube. If you haven't already checked out my previous analytics video, you should definitely go check that out because it kind of gives you an idea of my channel, how much a really small YouTuber such as myself can make from YouTube. And I just thought this would be a really interesting thing to look at because for my channel I have a few videos that have like quite a large number of views, but I'm someone who puts out a lot of consistent content regularly. So for quite a while I was doing 2 videos a week, and then I decided to do this experiment to see how much it will change my income. So as you can see, this is the other video that I made about my analytics. It's called How Much Money Does a Small YouTuber Make? And if you don't know a bit of background history, I am a very small YouTuber. I had one video that blew up last year. It was in April last year. It was a Riverdale reaction video. I know I go on about it all the time, but it helps to give someone who is just randomly watching this video background info on me. And that video got a lot of attention and it helped me to gain subscribers, over 1,000 subscribers, and also it helped me get the watch time that I needed to then monetize my videos. If you haven't seen this video, then basically I tell you how much I make within a month, and it averages out, I think it was about £6.31 a month if I remember correctly. I could be wrong. This video is going to be linked in the description. It will be in the iCards. It will come up at the end of this video, so definitely go check that out if you haven't. But this week we are looking at how much I have made specifically in the last 28 days from only uploading 1 video a week compared to 2. So, analytics. Oh, what is this? Congratulations! Your channel's views are up 46% as more viewers are selecting one of your videos from their search results. What? That's kind of cool. I remember I got this message when my Riverdale video went up and it was like, your views are up like 2000%, which was so funny. I want to find out what this is and then we'll get back into what we're actually doing in this video. What's going on? Over the last week, more people discovered one of your videos from search results on YouTube. Videos show up in search results based on factors like how well their titles, descriptions and content match the view's quality. Query. Honestly, I can't read. Also, a video's performance, that is how long it keeps viewers watching, contributes to its ranking in search results. Search results aren't a list of most viewed videos for a search of query. Ah yes, this makes sense. My selfie factory video is actually done really oddly well. It's been up just over a week and it's got like a couple of hundred views. I think it's on like 600 or 700. But yeah, it's done surprisingly well. You know, I went there on the Saturday and I uploaded this video on the Sunday, and it's, you know, clearly got the engagement and views, which is nice. More people choose to watch your videos from search results. When your video appears in search results, people choose to watch them 9% of the time. Previous people chose to watch them 5% of the time. Interesting. Here are the search terms on the rise. Selfie Factory, Selfie Factory 02, Selfie Factory London. That's really cool. Like I said, I knew this video was doing quite well. Obviously I can look at the analytics myself, but it was just nice to get that reminder from YouTube that it is actually doing quite nicely. So here we go. You can see that it says your estimated revenue is £5.67, which, as I previously stated, we already know is lower than my average monthly amount that I would make, which, like I said, is something like £6.33 or something random like that. So I can tell already that we are, you know, quite a fair amount below that. Also, my watch time is down, which is kind of sad because we all know how important that is. But my views are about the same as usual, so that's fine. And then I have 11+ subscribers. So my estimated revenue is £5.67. You can see we have this spike here, which is probably from that Selfie Factory video. I am actually going to change it. Can I change it for the past like 90 days? When was that? That's what, 3 months? Let's have a look at that for a minute. Oh, what's that spike? Monday the 13th of January. What did I upload that Sunday? Let's have a look. Monday the 13th. So we want Sunday the 12th. 12th of January. Ah, interesting. So that little spike, even though it was only 61p, was when I uploaded my what's in my free Ryanair carry-on luggage, which has also done quite well in itself. It's nearly on 1,000 views, I think. And I think that's the sort of content that people are really interested in when you have something specific to actually talk about. Like if it's gonna be helpful. So some of my most viewed videos are my driving theory test video, my practical driving test theory video. Okay, editing Becca here. I'm not actually explaining this section well. What I mean is that my most viewed videos are the ones that are informative and teaching people tips and tricks on how to do things, or like hair tutorials, something where you learn something basically. And that's what does well on my channel. So yeah, that video's done well, which is nice. Right, so in the past 28 days, we've made an estimate of £5.67. We have a couple of these spikes, and yeah, it's kind of been doing well. And then, oh, that was not a nice day. Look, 16 pence, 13, what's the lowest we've had? 11, 12, 11. You can see I'm not someone who makes a lot. We realised this in my other video. I just thought it would be really interesting to find out about my top videos, because I know which ones are my top videos, but in this specific 28 days. So we can see that one of my most top videos in this period was that pack with me what's in my Ryanair free hand luggage video. Average duration, that is a thing that I do struggle with, is keeping people locked into this video. I hope you are still watching this. Let me know in the comments if you are still watching this video. And then of course I passed my theory test video. That is my second most viewed video on my channel. Technically it is my first because YouTube actually took down my Riverdale video, which had like 65,000 views or something. But this has like nearly 30,000, I think. I think it's on like 28,000. Let's have a look. All time since uploaded. 36,000. Oh, look at that spike. People want to know how to pass their theory test apparently. I know that is my top video to bring in money for my channel, just because it's something that, like I said, people will constantly want to know about, if that makes sense. You know, if you're doing your theory test, you're gonna try and do what you can to get some help, I guess. And then we have the selfie factory video. I was surprised it's done as well as it's done. Yeah, look, it's nearly on 700 views. And then my other reacting to Riverdale video. And then we have the empty flat tour, which is a really strange video, I think, because it's just me showing you around this flat that I'm currently in. And like, it's got, you know, like 700 views, and I think that's really, really strange, but yeah, it's kind of nice. And then we have my hostages film, which is really cool. That's nearly on 7,000 views altogether, I think. You can see that engagement isn't great. And then we have my Reading Festival vlog. I think with that video, the problem is that the engagement is so bad because my intro before I actually got to the event is really, really long, and I should have cut that down a lot, because like the first 2 minutes is me just being really excited and like talking about what I'm wearing and why I'm going and stuff, and I should have just cut to me being at the festival. And then we have another flat tour. This was my old flat that I used to live in. And then of course we have the how much money does a small YouTuber make. Let's see how much money that has made actually. And then we have a new glasses video, which is a really old video actually, but apparently people are still watching that. Whoa, that was a spike. What was that? 50 pence? Wow! It's done all right in views and the watch time is pretty good, but you know, you can see that I don't make a lot out of my YouTube. It's just for fun, and I'm really happy that I can make a little bit of income from it. That's kind of this video. We've realised that in the last 28 days where I've only uploaded like one video a week, you can see that it is lower, which is actually a really interesting thing. Like sometimes when I uploaded 2 videos a week, one of the videos might only get like 60 views, one of them might even only get 20. Like it really does depend, but I think consistency and how much you do upload is obviously going to contribute to my AdSense and my revenue. And I think if I did continue to upload 2 videos a week or more, it would obviously impact my revenue and it would push it up higher. I am considering going back to 2 videos a week, but at the moment I don't have that many video ideas. If there's anything you want to see on this channel, definitely comment below and let me know. That is this video. Let's just do a check of how much I am on altogether. If you have seen my other analytics video, you will know my concern about potentially not getting to the £60 threshold that you have to get to before you can get money out of your Adsense account. So let's see what we're on, because I haven't checked it in a while. Oh, we are so close! £52.39. That is so close. So we've still got a few more days, so it might reach £6 for this month, which will then bring us up to what, 58? So in March we'll only have to get a little bit, which means we should reach that £60 threshold to get out of this account, because I'm not sure if YouTube are going to take away monetization for me in April. I think that's when I uploaded my Riverdale video and I was then able to monetize my channel. Fingers crossed they don't, because this is like a really nice incentive for me to continue making videos. You know, I'm not making a lot. I do this because I enjoy it and I love it and it's just fun. And this is just a nice extra thing to get out of it. We are so close, so let's hope we get there. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you like this sort of video. We'll definitely do another analytics video in like March, April time to see if I have made it to the big £60. And we also will have to check if they do end up taking monetization away from my channel, which I hope not. But I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna do another Riverdale reaction video to the musical episode that is coming out in April, so that will probably help. But yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell, because it really helps channels like myself and I would really appreciate it. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All my links are in the description below, so definitely go check me out on social media. And I'll see you soon for another video. Bye guys. Ooh, that's far.